every new file you create comes with a set of default permissions on it. Let me create a new file so you can see what I mean. All right, let's check out the permissions on this file, and you can see that this file comes with read-write for the user, read-write for his group, and read for everyone else. Question: where do those permissions come from? They all come from umask. Umask. Okay. Now, the umask determines the default permissions on your system. So whenever a file is created, it will follow the instructions that are given by umask to determine what permissions the file will have by default. Right? When how to read this will be by looking at the last three digits. Leave this one out, leave the first digit out of it for the meantime, but let's look at the last few digits. When you are calculating what files, what permissions you have on a file, assign the file in your mind the numbers 666. That is 6 for the user, 6 for the group, and 6 for others. Then you subtract 002 from it. Right? So 666 minus 002 will give you 664. That is read-write, read-write, and read. And that's what we have here. Right? Now I can change the umask a little. I can say, okay, it's different now. So if I create a new file, and I'll see that the new file followed the new umask, the new umask assigned. Let's take a look at it again. 666 for a file, and according to this umask, it would be 666 minus 022. So that would be 644. And that's what we have here. 6, read plus write, 4, read, and 4. So that's how umask works. Okay? Now, umask works the same way for directories, except that the number you should have in your mind for directories is 777. So if I create a new directory right now, I say and I do that, I can see the permissions on this new file. It is read, write, and execute for the user, read and execute for the group, and read and execute for others. So what were the permissions on it before? It was umask of 022. So how did it work? It was 777 minus 022. So 777 minus 022 is 755. And that's exactly what we have here. That's how umask works. Let's take a few questions.